One of the nicest stands of Holland there Enski the Honor FC
SOMPA Sports.
Now and Spain any Italy a ball semi-final 2 of the UEFA Nations League 2023. Then now here game course any the sort of vibe inya game numa na kamumye. Luis de la Fuente ni team ni set out to possess, dominate and then feed Alvaro Morata. Now Yeremi Pino on one side. Now I hear Rodri, who was man of the match, in the middle. And then the kind of attack they built throughout the game. Spain are building something new, Gavi, but the reality is that at some point Spain couldn't penetrate. Now, I don't know, Brunibeka is symptomatic of the modern day Spanish football. Possess, pass, but penetration, no, I ever completed the third P. In terms of Spain for no pass ball no mudre ni mo penetration zone bit me rema kwahye no
SOMPA Sports
strikers yan Alvaro Morata na ere Italian and Joselu Mato wa shot 3 goals e dey ama Spain was at ball Spain national team no 33. Oh yeah, so
how can Joselu look
in 2008 Spain dropped Raul Gonzalez, Luis Aragonés, left him behind for Dani Guiza, Torres, and then David Villa. Because I'm say go be for teachers, but football like umo.
No crepa.
And Joselu go no share no. He was so fortunate. Not with this strike, in your ball no boss and enough fortune no woman. The fortune was rather in ball 2 Italian defenders, Achebi, and then the partner a deflective tone and him a man Bosche. So Spain are qualified. They've set out a final
SOMPA Sports.
Croatia, Nyame Aduma, Kwesiada, and for me it's going to be a good final. Kwaku, there was something quite striking about this game I heard in Rano. Now it revolves around one particular footballer, your friend Gavi. Match na ye born Rano. The 20th game at Gavi Abama Spain. The first game boy was against this same Italy in the UEFA Nations League in 2021. Gavi made his debut for Spain in this game, the first game. Since then, we have 19 games, and on the 20th game, Enra Sabo no ball we
SOMPA Sports
and 2-1 in the semi-final.
Yes.
At the Spain Cup final, they lost to France. Enra na Gavi won the 20th game. No, he played against Italy in the UEFA Nations League final. The game semi-final it ended 2-1, just like the first time. And he's in the final again. Now, in recent times, there are a lot of semi-final duels between these two. Euro 2020, the Nations League, and down the Nations League again. Spain has always prevailed in the two. Gavi Bobino. In the Euros, he wasn't there.
Yes.
And they lost that one. So that was something unique about him. Now, Akofa Bedi, yes, can be because Enra said na grown see ko and in your Mercoswana Italy. Massa for Italy, they were mocking Italy. Massa
SOMPA Sports
for Italians. And Chebia and Italian managers can say culture is back. Sabre Nuno, na Fiorentina qualify for Conference League final. Roma qualify for Europa League final. And then Inter Milan qualify for
Champions League final. Italy
World Under 20 final.
SOMPA
Sports Nations League semi-final. Now within a short period of time, Roma lose the Europa League final no, to Sevilla. Fiorentina lose the Conference League final no, to West Ham. Inter lose the Champions League final to Manchester City. Uruguay Italy under 21-0 Nations League semi-final. So you're my friend. So it's been a very, very painful summer for Italian football.
You don't come up behind
finals 4, semi-final 1. Nina
But there is a job more because if you kakana Karoya, Irus no bejifa muno. No, we now club level no
exactly. But then now when we say club, youth football, you know, still they are unable to win. But it shows something is cooking. But Spain for no, and a pyramid they are bar,
we clearly shows Italy. Heroes in there anymore. California careful.
Yeah, they have
Even
what
the
it
World
takes.
Cup
They
2020.
have what it takes because they are building something new.
Oh, okay.
Now in building something new, Kweku, Davide Fratesi.
Your boy, no, I'm not only Bobo.
Look, he's a modern day midfielder with an engine or wakuma. He knows his movement, and on time I also release the ball, no, and then setting aside from the others. Davide Fratesi, Ekoshad, M said Dimarco ni cross B or directed ball ni you.
Yes.
You now see Monana or a good goalkeeper. Fratesi did everything well. And so when you ball ni because the goalkeeper was at the right place at the right time. And it's a ball no
SOMPA Sports.
Davide Fratesi of Sassuolo. So when Tiasi the inter Italian big clubs no be even people outside Italy, anyone and Rano was indicative of what Davide Fratesi has and is capable of offering you. Fratesi is an exceptional footballer. And he's grounded from Empoli Nano or being kind of Davide Fratesi has what it
SOMPA
takes. And
Sports.
he's very, very capable of making things happen. Kwaku, Yabo anyway, and one share winning goal. Joselu Mato. What's your coin?
Oba Madrid.
Good. Ntiyanko Madrid press no. And anopa. Yes. Joselu Mato. Or dem din. Joselu Esta Benecido. Aba. Joselu. Na shego na maya de akoye nim no.
A baby be one SOMPA.
Ukopiem ewo Marsa ko akrata no sumo a. Bravissimo Joselu, the brave man Aba. Aba be share winning goal no. Yet ni free in chambers so me winning game no. And that's exactly what he did. Ebrobe Alvaro Morata. And that was an exceptional day at the Bislett Oslo Diamond League meeting for athletics. Now, Sa Bislett Oslo Diamond League meeting. No,
SOMPA Sports.
Exceptional games. Yeah, ewo nowhere in Crow Oslo. The Emma athletics into World Athletics calendar. No, one game
SOMPA Sports
for the Nordic countries. Sweden, Omunina, the Norway, Bislett Oslo Diamond League meeting. And then it's me also. Now, yen comodie mun say ye call Italy. And ye debate to France. Ye hu nyoma na ekoso with the Diamond League records, especially ohwe Faith Kipie gon nyoma na oye na mu hu pa. Obama president Kramaniska. Nti ye koi no obi ehwe ni mu say this meet could also spring up some fantastic surprises for us, especially world records, because you call a Diamond League Nansea, you back-to-back world records falling down. So because Jakob Ingebrigtsen con Okoko say record for 3,002 miles. Faith Kipiegon. The records no kwana na cause ntia no anajo ye saw a TV na na yete ho ne de na ye nyina ye twen world records no. Say na
SOMPA.
Jorinde van Klinken no ofri Netherlands or your bar to discuss through. Na National College Athletics meet no. The my friend NCAA or US no. Or when they ma discuss through Emma University. Where we Holland ni ba Diamond League na. Olympic champion or CCI your friend Valerie Allman of US. Only one of the greatest in this sport, Sarah Perkovic. With my baby, it is Sarah Perkovic, any Valley Allman with a throw of 7.7 meters. First time out, too. She established
SOMPA
girls
Sports.
number one, including the Olympic champion.
Oh.
Or that's all school. And to imagine how the Netherlands would progress. Oh yes, Fenke Ball, also from the Netherlands, won the 400 meters hurdles on the side.
SOMPA Sports.
On the way, no, assassin will run you. Sa Bislett game na assassin Norway no. Assassin man no back friend say Jakob Ingebrigtsen. On an ano 3,000 meters. Okobubu record down there that was since 1997 na. Me say record no kra nyin no. Oba ni krom no, wabe the first European to run the 1,500 meters, the 1 mile, under 3 minutes 30 seconds.
Wow.
Obi anye bida. But and there were 3 minutes 27 seconds, sub 95 seconds. Na niema sa race we in Ingebrigtsen 2 year no, na ye hu ne say 8 athletes record under 3 minutes 30 seconds. This is the first time in history. It is the deepest race we've had in recent times. Koku Hisham El Gurouj ni record in 2005 no ewo Akrana Brazil who acquired the sixth
SOMPA Sports.
on the all-time list.
Yes.
Former Jakub Ingebrigtsen womi se prama na onyalak ewo World Athletics Championship no ewo Budapest, Hungary. He may crown his efforts for the season with a new world record in the 1,500 meters, and it stood in the name of Hisham El Gurush for a very long time. Enyo nonko asase ne babako enso beye adwuma. Your friend Casting Barom or your 400 meters hurdles athlete. And also the first race our Diamond League this year, NEA, 46.52 seconds. Casting Barom. Koku na Oja Wilfred Hapio and CJ Allen Weche ayo muheduma. Sa record ya wetu kwaku a Diamond League meet record. Ewo Oslo ho waseno.
Wase record.
Watete no kra. Na enya abrofo no nkwa na ye adwuma enra.
SOMPA Sports.
Sa ko man 100 meters a. Cote d'Ivoire ni ba be friend Jose Marie Talou.
Talou, yeah.
Talou so be adwuma no anajo. Record ada ho e o Marion Jones, the great Marion Jones. Ni dimu 10.80. E was asase we so no. Jose Marie Talou e ba be 10.75. A new meet record. A world leading time. And more 200 meters are feeling in ano. Or no, and the leading time of 10.75 seconds. Ofri Abidjan here.
And I'll go as a record.
10.75 world leading time. Now, more no mudina chino. Look, Dina Asha Smith quite the first trainer on Kahon on here from the UK.
Ah,
On Kahon.
Asha Smith.
World champion Sherika Jackson eto sumi ensan.
Hey.
And then Antonique Strachan from Bahamas eto sumi enu. But the ultimate lady on the night, world lead,
SOMPA Sports.
meet record, Jose Marie Talou.
Ah, you know, we know Omoba. I don't know how then we was a dinner born on the way no Talou minimum but so more than a chini they are no edion.
Pa. So meaning, and this is not her first victory. This is her second victory in the period. So that's how it works out for her. And you know, Kwan Ebeye said, Jumano, I'm a world cross country champion. And so be Juma, your friend Beatrice Chebet, another young, fabulous lady from Kenya. Now, Chebet, also be two, a meet record in the 3,000 meters. Chebet, time at 02 yeno, 8 minutes, 25 seconds, 0.01 seconds. Now, all your side way, no, kind of say, no, say, oh, a man, 3,000 meters people chase in a free Kenyans. But the man 3,000 meters, no. Conclusion list now. Lillian Rengeruk, maybe second, Kenya. Third, Margaret Kikamboy. So still, Kenya are dominant in the women's 3,000 meters race. But remember, the no, and the IJ from them. The honor so a meet record, world lead in the current circumstance.
Yo, Mate.